Let's spend the perfect day in Tel Aviv. Join me for a walk through Neve Tzedek, one of the city's most charming neighborhoods, with coffee breaks, hidden corners, and a taste of the Tel Aviv good life. We start on Shabazi Street, the beating heart of the area. First things first, coffee. There's a little coffee spot here known for its perfect cold brew. Grab one to go, or even better, pick up a bottle to take home. As you sip, notice how this street blends boutiques, art shops, and historic houses that have been standing since the late 19th century. Neve Tzedek was actually the first Jewish neighborhood built outside the walls of Jaffa. Over time, it fell into neglect, but at the beginning of last century, it came back to life, restored into the vibrant area we're walking through today. Next, a cozy little spot worth a peek. Épicerie Fine. It's part cafe, part design shop. Grab something tasty from the deli, enjoy a coffee in the small yard, and maybe even leave with a unique find like ceramics or home decor. A short stroll takes us to the Suzanne Delal Center, Israel's leading venue for contemporary dance. But this place has history. One building used to be a boys' school, and across the way, a girls' school where all teaching was done in Hebrew. Back in the 19th century, that was revolutionary. Another spot worth mentioning is West El Balad, friendly staff, and a really local, oriental vibe. Great for just sitting back and soaking up the city rhythm for a while. Let's visit Delal Bakery, all about style and charm. Amazing pastries, fresh bread, and a cozy, vibrant atmosphere. Grab a coffee and something sweet, relax, and watch the neighborhood go by. There's also a restaurant just around the corner. Best to book a table if you want to go. Next stop is the Gutman Museum, the childhood home of Nahum Gutman, one of Israel's most beloved artists. The house itself feels like a little time capsule of Tel Aviv's early days, once home to a Hebrew newspaper. It's a quiet, intimate spot that connects you not just to Gutman's art, but to the spirit of early Tel Aviv. Check working hours before your visit. Now let's walk south to Park HaMasila. This is where the Ottoman train line once connected Jaffa and Jerusalem. Keep an eye out. You can still spot old train tracks embedded in the road. In the evenings, locals gather here for picnics, casual strolls, or simply to relax and watch the city wind down. Time for a bite? Elifelet Cafe is a local favorite. Try the tahini truffle, rich, nutty, unforgettable. We pass Elifelet Light train station on the right to reach our next stop. Just nearby is Park HaTahana, the old railway station that's been beautifully restored. This railway station was part of the Jaffa-Jerusalem line, serving as a key hub for passengers and goods traveling across the region. After decades of decline, the station was carefully restored and transformed into a vibrant cultural and commercial space. That was one perfect day in Tel Aviv. Now, if you're up for it, the Mediterranean is only 10 minutes away. Charles Claw Beach is perfect for a late afternoon chill. If not, you can easily head back to the light rail station and continue your Tel Aviv adventure. Subscribe, let's be in touch.